Hey everyone, my name is Allie, and today I'm going to be giving you a dorm tour of my dorm in the Towers. So we start out on Bay State Road, and as you can see here, there's a little green space next to Towers, and then up there is my room, so let's go. On the street, you can see some classic Boston brownstones, which are BU housing as well, and then there's a little bike rack on the first floor of the building. Here you can see me taking out my ID to swipe into the building, and here we are. Here is a study lounge on the first floor. Sometimes there's events hosted in there. Then right there is the mailroom, and you can see everyone's mailboxes. And then there's some vending machines on the first floor as well, and a silent part to the study lounge. Now let's go upstairs. My room is right outside of the elevator, but before we look at that, we're going to look at the common room. So there's a couch, a table to do homework, and it has a super nice view outside. I caught it like right during sunset. Right down the hall is the bathroom. This is an all-girls floor, so there's just one. And then there's a room with a garbage, recycling, and sink to wash your dishes in. Then we get back to my room. So this is my side of the room as a whole. The beds are lofted in Towers, but you can unloft them if you want to. You would just have less floor space. And then here's some decorations. We put an extra mirror on the back side of our door. And then next to that, I have a set of drawers just for extra storage space and my laundry bag. Up top is just my bed and a few posters. And then underneath my bed, there's a dresser with some toiletries and stuff on top. And then I have a little chair that I can sit on the ground on and a little rug with my piano and snack cart. Over in the far corner of the room is my desk, our TV, and the micro fridge, which is just a microwave and a mini fridge. On top of my desk, I just keep my books and a bunch of Boston-themed knickknacks that I've collected. And up here, I have some decorations of places around the world and my Polaroid wall, which is one of my favorite parts of my room. I put a pink mat on top of my desk just to brighten it up a little bit, and then I have little things that I've collected throughout the year and school supplies. My roommate and I are both from upstate New York, so we have some home-themed things on our little shared shelf above the mirror, and that's pretty much it. Bye, thank you guys.